This is TVC News at 10, reaching you live from our headquarters here in Lagos, where we're monitoring events across the globe. We're staying in Abuja, where the Court of Appeal earlier today grants the President-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, permission to inspect election materials used for the just concluded presidential election, delivering a ruling filed in an ex parte motion filed by the President-elect. A three-member panel of the tribunal led by Justice Joseph Nkechi held that there is substance in the application. Celestina Area has more.
Also granted permission to the Independent National Electoral Commission to reconfigure the Bimodal voter accreditation system for effective use on the 11th March for the governorship election. The Labour Party and its presidential candidate had approached the court seeking to stop INEC from reconfiguring the BVAS. They had argued that when the BVAS are reconfigured, the data contained in the BVAS will be lost. But INEC in its defense noted that those data will be stored at their back-end server and made readily available for any presidential candidates that want it.
The application of Peter Obi and Labour Party was that we should be stopped from tampering with the BVAS machine. We now, before they finish the inspection and all those things, our ICT experts deposed to the affidavit that no, reconfiguring the BVAS machine will not tamper with the data contained this, because we are sending the data to our back-end clouds and server. And there was no counter affidavit or further affidavit to controvert what we say. The court has no option than to accept what we are saying as the position of the law and the true position.
The appellate court refused the application filed by INEC seeking to vary its earlier order made, which had granted permission to Labour Party to have access to the election materials. Counsel to INEC noted that their fear was the order would give Labour Party access to identifying how a particular voter voted, hence the application for the court to vary the order. Labour Party had sought a forensic analysis of the ballot paper and access to INEC server, which has the biometric data of all voters. If the ballot paper is matched with the forensic analysis of data in each server, it will show how every voter voted. This defeated the purpose of secret ballots. The court has, however, clarified the order it made.
The order was that they can have access to the election materials, such as ballot paper, result sheet, and any other material that was used for the election, not that to have access to our cloud or database.
With the ruling of the court, INEC is clear to conduct the governorship and state of assembly elections without any room for postponement. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.